In this video, I will explain the correct way to download stories on Snapchat. I guarantee 100% it will work. Okay, let's jump to Snapchat. I will try to download this stories. The first step is to click the arrow at the bottom. Click this icon to copy the story link. After that, close Snapchat and switch to Google Chrome. Go to the pastedownload.com website. Paste the story link that you copied. Usually this process takes 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your internet network.
1 hour later.
Select the story you want to download. Click the 3 dots icon. Select Downloads. Now you have successfully downloaded Snapchat stories to your cell phone. To download other stories, you can use the same method. Don't forget to watch my next video. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.